arrow? It points to the direction that we're going. Huh, interesting. N-E-S-W. North, east, south, west. Huh.
It's my turn.
Hey, come on in. This is
But
Toddler Town. This is the crawl zone.
It's slime time, Kamaya.
Where you take
Yeah.
off
It's slime
and you
time.
can learn.
Yeah.
Whoa, see these ridges?
Kamaya,
Kind of looks
Come
like
on.
a snake.
are you ready
Yeah.
Hear that?
for the slime challenge?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Kamaya, you
What?
ready?
Another
One,
sensory
two,
area.
quiet eye.
So
It's slime
it's
time.
changed out every
A
single
Say-
quiet
So
Just
the
say it's
time that
time.
I was here,
time.
it has really sucked.
Time.
Show your slime, babe. Show your slime.
Has
Show how pretty that looks so far.
A piss.
So pretty, right?
different shapes.
Look at this.
Interesting. In different colors.
So
And
pretty,
it feels
right?
so good.
Don't mind my nails, y'all. Kamaya was doing it, then she stopped.
The face.
So cute. No, don't put it in your face, girl.
Welcome.
So cute,
This is
right?
the Children's Hospital. Come on
So look,
in.
we got
This
orange,
is well, the
orange
doctors
slime,
and
orange
Green.
slime.
there's a lot of babies. But first,
Green.
Got the green, yeah. Got green, got green, got green.
Ow. I
Ow.
got green.
Ow.
I got green. I got green.
That was lit, babe. That was
let's
nice.
see the
That was nice.
findings.
What's that, babe? What's that? What color is that?
Let's put on this white area.
Purple? Let me
Illuminates
see.
from the
That's
back.
purple?
Wow.
Oh, this is beautiful. A beautiful purple, right?
It's a purple guy. It make a guy.
Yeah.
Really cool.
Alright,
It's
so now I
a
gotta see how to
make
open this. How to
Check
open
my
it.
hands out. Let's inspect it.
I want
Yep, that's my
Kinda
hand.
hard.
Okay, is there any
Yeah,
broken
it's a little bit.
bones? Nope.
There you
I think
go.
I'm
There's
good.
something. There's something, right?
Okay, let's keep that up.
No, but they right. They right.
Babies are sleeping. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, let's see. This is the patient chart.
This is giving me a hard time. For real, for real.
Damon Washington.
All right, so we can ignore this right now.
African-American.
Yep, we are.
7 months old.
See this green?
18 pounds.
This green looking nice,
Let's
right,
do this
Kamaya?
one. Let's do this one.
I'm gonna do it. I just can't do it right now.
Hey, Damon. How are you, buddy?
Okay.
How are you?
Damn.
This is Damon. Hey, Damon. Okay, let's give Damon a checkup. Okay, we'll be right back.
Let's take this
Damon.
out.
Hey,
We
first,
got
we
some
need to get
sponges
this
inside. You see
table
that, y'all?
nice and comfy.
Wow.
Put this on
See that,
here.
baby?
Okay, Damon.
Oh, this is
Oh, hey, Damon.
the one.
Oh yeah, she trying to get the one
Okay,
that
let's put Damon.
don't want to open
comfy
correctly
right here.
for me.
Perfect. Hey, Damon, it's gonna be a little chilly. I have to take off this blanket. So, we can then use this stethoscope on Damon. Come on. The stethoscope is used to check the heartbeat. Ready? Let's go brush his hair.
I finally got it open.
Aw, so handsome. There you
Look
go,
at this
buddy.
orange.
There you go.
See how cool
Great.
it is?
Perfect.
Let's do this one.
Okay, see what else there is.
Well, how you gonna take the orange one? I was using the orange one.
A bottle. I bet Damon's really hungry. All right, Damon.
And look,
Here you
take this
go.
one out. I'm gonna use this one.
How does that taste?
Well, why are you feeling
Yum.
the slime?
Okay. All right. Hey,
Yay!
it was so much fun taking care of
All
this
right,
baby.
you Yours is looking better than mine. Okay,
I'm
alright.
just different.
Doctor's office.
Different.
No.
Oh, hey! I was just sitting here thinking about life.
The purple one
What's
out.
the purpose of life?
Hey.
I don't know. But I could really use
Look.
a smoothie.
Bam.
I love smoothies. Have you ever had a smoothie before?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, they're so tasty and cold. So refreshing.
Purple.
Here you go, Cafe.
Sorry.
Let's go make a smoothie.
Mommy said purple, and then that's look.
Oh, so we have some blenders and some fruit over here.
Alright.
No.
Hey, look at this.
First things first.
Beautiful.
This
Piece
around
Yeah.
is dirty.
Put it right there.
And in the back, grab this green
Okay.
plate.
Alright.
Bill,
Vegetables on
Bill,
it.
Bill,
Okay.
Bill.
How about
Look what Kamaya's doing.
red strawberries?
Yeah.
Let's do one yellow lemon. Two green apples. Perfect. Doesn't that look tasty? Yeah. Okay, now, let's blend them all up. Yum. Okay. Whoa. That's silly. It's all on the ground.
Roll it up.
Okay, let's put
Roll
them
it.
in the
Keep
blender.
going.
One apple in the blender. And let's do a strawberry
going.
in the blender. Okay, let's blend it up.
Just shaking the table, y'all. Shaking the table.
Alright, now it's all blended up. I need to grab a cup. Okay, here we go. Okay, here's one cup full of some smoothie. Now, let's make some juice. Let's come over to this juicer. Let's put the vanilla frosting back. Okay, let's try another one. Let's see.
Cool, right?
We have some oats for oatmeal. And we have some cola.
Oh my
Is
god,
cola
it's sticky.
soda pop healthy?
It's sticky.
No, we'll put that back. Is oatmeal healthy? Yeah, oatmeal is healthy. Let's put that in our basket. Good job. Whoa. Okay. We have some more items to
Sticky.
pick.
I see. Wow, look at your hands.
Milk.
Wow.
We have whipped cream. Which one of these is healthy? Yeah, milk. That's pretty healthy. Whipped cream. Lots of sugar.
Oh.
Put that back. And let's move on. Oh, another aisle. Ooh. Yum.
What is sticky?
Okay, we have some rice. And we have some brownies. Which one is healthy?
Can Kamaya turn it into a bowl?
Rice is healthy. Let's put that in our basket. And for the brownies, not too healthy. I really do like brownies, but we need to get some healthy things. So good job with all this healthy shopping. So for doing such a really good job,